Did you know a killer once turned America's most trusted painkiller into a weapon of mass terror? In 1982, someone walked into Chicago area stores and bought bottles of extra-strength Tylenol, but this wasn't for a headache. The killer carefully opened each capsule, dumped out the medicine, and filled them with deadly potassium cyanide. Then they sealed everything back up and returned the poison bottles to store shelves. 7 innocent people died, including a 12-year-old girl. Panic spread across the nation as copycat attacks emerged. Tylenol sales crashed. Johnson & Johnson recalled 31 million bottles, losing $100 million. 100 FBI agents worked the case. Thousands of tips poured in. James Lewis became a prime suspect after sending extortion letters, but he was never charged with the murders. This case changed everything. Those tamper-proof seals on your medicine bottles? They exist because of the Tylenol killer. After 40 years and a $10 million reward, the most terrifying fact remains. The Tylenol killer walked free and was never caught.